Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this blood pressure that this brand sent to me for this video. I tried it once already. I'm going to try it for the second time, like here in live television, because I think this one is super cool for having it in your house, either for yourself or either if you are caring for like a friend or family, or you have an elderly in your house or things like that. This is super, super easy to use, and it's going to be a really good one to have. It is good for up to 2 users, so you can use it for yourself and another person if you want to kind of like measure better, or do it for yourself and another person that needs it. You can also have up to 300 sets of memory, and you also have something that I didn't see in other ones before, like a color thing. You have green for okay. You also have, let me actually read it because I don't remember the colors. Okay, so you have the green for okay, the yellow for mild, and the red, well, we all know what the red is. I hope you don't get to that point. And also have a keep stable, like keep still, a sign over here. So when that happens, and also the other thing is whenever you turn it on and you put it on yourself, which we're going to try it out right now, remember, I need to stay still. I need to not speak. I need to adopt like a certain position, like a 90-degree position, not crossing my legs and putting my arms on the table. So if you do that, this one is also going to give you a sign of stay still. So you can follow that and make sure that you are corrected. So the 4 batteries are here on the back, and also you have a USB-C cable for charging purposes, as well as a bag over here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this one right away. It is really, really easy, as I was just telling you before. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in your arm, in my arm, in this case, this right here. So remember, this is actually an arm cuff. This is not a wrist cuff. So we're gonna put it right here. So remember, it doesn't have to be like super, super tight, just the right amount of tight. And then this one goes, so this is going to be the USB-C port. And right here, we're going to put this one right here. We are all set. So remember, for 2 people and up to 300 memory tests, and the stay still and the colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press start. I'm going to stay still. I'm not going to do anything. And then I'm going to show it to you on the camera. So here we go. Okay, no cuts, no anything. You can see this one right here, 132, 82, 69 heart rate. It's not bad. It's actually showing the green, but it's actually, since I know about the values and about the measurements and everything, and I know my own blood pressure, it's not bad at all. 135, actually 135 and 82. Just judging by the 120, 80, we know that that one is the ideal one, but just based on the age and the activity, and if you were doing stuff and everything, you're gonna know which one is good or not. But this one, you can see super accurate, works perfectly, didn't cut anything on this video, works really good. I like it, practical, convenient, and better to have in your home for the use of 2 people and many, many set of memories. I do like this one. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.